Welcome back to my channel, and now I will answer the packet tracer in chapter 3 entitled Investigating the TCP or IP and OSI models in action. So, first, the objective. Part 1, examine web traffic. Part 2, display elements of the TCP or IP protocol suite. Background. This simulation activity is intended to foundation for understanding the TCP or IP protocol suite and the relationship to the OSI model. Simulation mode always allows you to view the data contents being sent across the network at each layer. As data moves through the network, it is broken down into smaller pieces and identified so that the pieces can be put back together when they step back together. Destination. Each piece is assigned specific name. Part 1. Examine HTTP web traffic. In part 1 of this activity, you will use Packet Tracer PT simulation mode to generate web traffic and examine HTTP. Step 1. Switch from real-time to simulation mode. Packet Tracer. Web traffic. In part 1, we will use the Packet Tracer simulation mode to generate web traffic and examine HTTP. Step 1. In the lower right corner of the Packet Tracer interface are tabs to get time simulation mode. This in real-time mode, in which current feature Packet Tracer allows the user to stop time. Switching to simulation mode. In simulation mode, packets are displayed as simulated develops. Time is event-driven and user can step. The person click the simulation icon to switch from real-time to simulation mode. Click that. Select event. So select HTTP from the event filters. HTTP may already be the only visible event. Click event. Click edit filters to display the wilderness box. Away from unchecked to unchecked, depending on the current state. So let's click this one and then going down parade. HTTP. So yeah, HTTP and close this one. Click the show all in bet in all boxes are checked. To edit filters box, hide it. The visible event should not learn this HTTP. So should be click the HTTP then step to generate web HTTP traffic. Currently the simulation panel is empty. This is empty. The empty these 6 columns. Step through events appear in the list. The info column is used to inspect the contents of low battery. Opening core bar and dragging left or right or web client in the panel. Click the desktop tab and click then desktop. Click the web browser. This one. You triple level OSI model and click go we www. Click capture or forward 4 times for should events in event list. Because that time simulation is given, you must be use the captured going to yeah, because time simulation is this to display network events. This one capture forward 4 times, 4 times. You must see in the web client to web server to client. The message will receive by the web client. The last one, look up the web client browser page. Did you anything change? Yes, it changes. You have successfully accessed the home page forward server. Step 3. Explore the contents of the HTTP packet. Step 3. Letter A. Click the first colored square box under the event list. So this, the box, the 4 box. When info call, it may be necessary to expand the simulation panel or use the explore the PDU information at this window. In this window, there are only 2 tabs, OSI model and the outbound and PDU details. Because this is the dark vision. So, like this. B. Ensure the OSI model. B. Ensure the OSI model tab is selected. Under the outliers column, ensure that the layer 7 box is highlighted. What is that? Listed in the number steps directly below in the layers and outliers boxes. So, in layers have 7 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The outliers, like the outer layers, is 7, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Clicks na layer 4 should be highlighted. What is the DSD port value? So this is the DS port value. TCP SRC port 1025 DSD port 80. Then click next level layer 3. We click karon. Better. 192.168.12.64. That's the header for layer 3 should be highlighted by the DSD IP value. Click value, click next layer. What is information displayed in this layer? Unicast, the IP address is repeatable. The ARP process sets the frame's destination marker. The device frame. Layer 2. Click the outbound PDU details tab. Go to the TCP or note the information listed under the Ethernet section provides even more detailed information that is PSI model. The outbound PDU details provides the more descriptive and detailed information. The value and DST MAC and SRC MAC within the Ethernet 2 PDU details appeared on the OSI model tab under layer 2 but are not identified as such. What is the common information section compared to information OSI model tab? What is the listed under the TCP section of PDU details as compared to the information listed under the OSI model tab? So, that's all for this chapter 3 PKA. Thank you for watching my video. Sana magustuhan nyo. Please subscribe and like my video.
Papa GM.
That's all. Thank